We're going to highlight in different colors the stuff before and after the blank to determine whether it should be an agreement or contrast transition first. So from the top, with his room-sized installation, Unicorn My Private Sky, Norwegian artist BS succeeds in creating a whimsical yet perplexing experience. Okay, so I just know what's happening. I'm going to highlight this that's most indicative of what's happening before the blank, probably proactively. When visitors set foot inside the fantastically blue room and encounter the life-size stuffed unicorn preening at the far end of it, they are both dazzled and confused, as if stepping into a strange and enchanting new world. Oh, okay, so visitors are both dazzled and confused. That matches whimsical yet perplexing. So we need to find an answer choice that indicates agreement. So instead certainly does not indicate agreement. Nevertheless, certainly does not indicate agreement. And there aren't two different chronological events occurring. So second isn't going to work either. Indeed, however, does indicate the agreement and basically kind of build on that claim in the first sentence. Of course, on the actual exam, you'd want to read choice C back into the sentences to confirm narrative cohesion. But